Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to rename cash on delivery to a different name like paid or any other different name. So if you go to checkout and if you try to check out, you can see the name of the cash on delivery payment method is cash on delivery in bracket COD. So we are changing this to pay at dot. So for this, I'm using the advanced cash on delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also download the app from Shopify App Store, or the link of this app is in the video description. So once you install the app, you can open the app. Then you can go to advanced payment rules. You can create a new payment rule here, rename COD, right? Don't need to add any conditions. You can add the action, you can select rename payment method, and you can give your existing payment method name, that's cash on delivery, and you can change to your new name, pay to pay on doll, right? Just for an example, and you can make the status to active and save the changes. Then if you go to your checkout again and if you reload it once, right, then you can see the name is changed. So like this, you can give a different name for your cash on delivery orders, cash on delivery payment method according to your customer, right? So there are some other conditions, like you can also give conditions, for example, if the country is any other country, like if the country is not India, then you can give a different name, right? Like that, you can customize your name according to your locations, or for some particular products, for some particular states, you can give some other names, right? So this is how you can easily make the changes. So if you find this video helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel. And for your easiness, we added the app link in the description. Thank you.